Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have my entry into Lock Fumbler's Fumbler 500 Frozen Lock Fest. I think that's the hashtag. I'll make sure I get it on there. An airplane just flew over, so I'm just like, okay, I can hopefully record now without too many interruptions. But as you can tell, I'm outside, and I couldn't decide between these two locks. I do have a Chub Cruiser here, a 5-lever padlock, and I also have a Master Lock 575 here. These have actually been sitting in the deep freezer for the last 2 days. I was planning on doing this video yesterday, but things got busy, and with temperatures in the triple figures yesterday, today is a lot more pleasant and a lot more cloud cover, so it's definitely a lot better. So obviously you can tell with this Chub Cruiser, well, a little bit more water than I intended, but believe me, it is cold. It's like holding an ice block. And it still does work. Still works. And it is cold. I'm normally not used to holding this in hand when I'm doing this one, but let's see. Get this in here. Okay, get some tension on here. So we can see and try to get this picked. So I'm just going to work from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. I need to get that all the way up. There's a car going by, and as you can tell, I'm outside. Okay, there's 1, 2. Okay, I'm in a bit of a false say here. Here comes another plane. Looks like the birds aren't very happy with me sitting here next to their fountain they like to take a bath in. Okay, there we go. We got it open, and that's it. So should we go for double trouble and do the master lock as well? It's a little frozen. Let's make sure it works still. It's starting to warm up. Yeah, that does work. Still. Oh, there goes my keys. There goes some fire engines nearby. Don't know what that's about. Of course, you go outside and you get all kinds of interruptions. And of course, if I wanted to do some shout outs, there'd be so many I couldn't name them all at once, but shout out to Sadistic Picker for his channel, his great content, Trucking Lock, Chris Capune, Jack Fox, Thumpers, who else? I'm going to miss Lady Locks, Lockheat. There's just so many of them that basically if you go to the subscriptions I have on my channel, you can just see hundreds of them, and it's just hard to see. But so let's take a quick look around in the front with all these noises and distractions going on. There's the front yard. There's that white fence right on the other side of that white fence is where the goats are at. We have a little bird feeder, birds going by. Just on the other side of the trees, on the other side of the road is a big park, and it does have frisbee golf that goes on there all the time. People are playing that all the time. There's swimming pool, recreation center, library, baseball park over there, so just right on the other side of the street. So we get a lot of noises here, but it's definitely very pleasant for where we're at. Get some birds flying by again. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed the little visit outside, and thank you, Fumbler. Congratulations on your 500 subscriber giveaway and your Fumbler Frozen. There goes another airplane. Guess that's what I get for about 10 miles away is a major international airport, so we get planes flying over here all the time. Anyway, congratulations again. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. Make sure that you're subscribed and that you leave a like, leave comments down below, and have a wonderful day.